Hey everyone, welcome back to my holiday organizing tip series where I upload a new organizing tip daily to help maybe create a little more organization during your holiday season. Today is a very special day because I will be uploading 2 videos today, and the idea in each one kind of ties in with one another. So in this tip, I want to talk about tackling that feeling of being overwhelmed during the holidays. Let's face it, we have so much to accomplish in such a little amount of time. It is so easy to suddenly just feel overwhelmed, like out of breath, because of all the things you have to do. And I want to share with you what I share with my clients every day who say when they look at their house and it's all disorganized and they're looking at the whole big picture and they're like, I just am overwhelmed, I don't know where to start. So that's when I'll often ask my clients that infamous question, how do you eat an elephant? The answer is 1 bite at a time, meaning take it in more manageable chunks. Okay, and that's what I want to share with you in this video. How do you tackle all the tasks you have to do this holiday season? 1 task at a time. So if you are feeling overwhelmed right now with everything that needs to be done during this holiday season, my tip to you is to take 1 task a day. Break it down into smaller, more manageable parts. If you just set it up that you have to complete 1 task a day, you should be able to accomplish all you need to do this holiday season. Okay, so that's my tip for today. Take the holiday season in smaller, more manageable chunks, 1 task at a time. I hope this tip helped. If you'd like even more holiday organizing tips, I have a 55-page downloadable PDF filled with organizing checklists, organizing templates, and all sorts of organizing tips to help you achieve the organization you're looking for this holiday season. I'll put the link to that PDF in the description box below. Be sure to check it out. And don't forget to check out the other video I'm uploading today. It's about a fun activity you can do this holiday season. Take care, and I'll see you tomorrow.